Hello, student. How are you? I hope you all are well. Now, in the sequence of chapter 8, class 12th, Vistas, Memories of Childhood, let us go through part number 2. That is, we too are human beings. Characters in this part are involved. Bama, a girl of about 8 years studying in 3rd standard. Annan, college going elder brother of Bama. Theme of this story is the text deals with the plight of marginalized section of the society. The story depicts the misery and pangs of untouchability in the southern part of India. The writer enjoy the kaleidoscopic pictures. What do you mean by kaleidoscopic? A wide range of various events of her town, but when she saw the elder of his colony bending so low, it first made her fun, but later, when her brother told her about the inferiority of their clan, she decided to fight with this social vice. Vice means that evil, with secret but successful weapon, that is education. Text based explanation of this story. Innocence of a child. Bama, a Tamil Dalit, draws her life sketch where she shows how she swam to the banks of success from the sea of discrimination. Till the 3rd standard, Bama had never known anything about the evil of untouchability. She was a happy girl whose innocent inquisitiveness made her wander through the streets, witnessing all the antics of the local market on her way back home from school. Bama's first bout with untouchability. Bout means encounter, or you can say that when she faces such kind of thing. On one such expedition means a kind of journey when we usually take in adventures. She saw laborers on her street threshing grain for landlord. Again, the manner in which an elderly man held a packet of vadai. Vadai is a local uh, fried snacks found in usually sold in southern part of India amused her. He had fetched the packet for the landlord and held it by its string. When little Bama narrated the whole incident to her elder brother, whom she called Annan in Tamil, when little Bama narrated the whole incident to her elder brother, he made her aware of the evil practice of untouchability. She was shocked to find out that the landlord, like others of the upper castes, considered them inferior and so they were not allowed to touch their superior counterparts. Accordingly, the Dalit had to hold the packet by its string for fear of polluting it. The furious Bama, the little girl is perplexed. Perplexed means little bit embarrassed, little bit upset, and said, her laughter is replaced by the rage against the malpractice. She is infuriated by the unreasonable submission to the upper caste landlord by an important elder of her caste. She feels that her people should not run these petty errands for such boisterous people. Annan's perception. Bama's elder brother Annan explained how until the so-called lower caste people make an effort, the Dalit identity will be known by the street they live in. He advised her to surpass this inequality through education. He believed that although people do not get to decide the family they are born into, they can outwit the indignities inflicted upon them by others if they are well read and successful. Bama's efforts. Annan's advice left a profound impact on Bama. Following his advice, she studied hard and subsequently stood first in her class. This not only helped her make many friends, but made her strong as well, so that no one could dare to suppress her under any circumstances. Now, let us go through the glossary of this text, exposition with the words and their simpler meanings. Humiliated, insulted, daddle, moved slowly, oddities, strange events or things, to spur, to encourage, lemur, an animal similar to monkey, harangue, long aggressive speech, smart, feel sharp pain, tether, chain on tie up with rope, savory, tasty, stone ledge, a narrow stone shelf, muzzled, guard placed over an animal's nose and mouth to prevent it from eating or biting people, provoked, annoyed, incited, imitated, infuriated, angered, scraped, accumulated money, indignities, humiliations, frenzy, a state of extreme agitation and uncontrolled emotions. Now let's have a recapitulation of this story. The second part is an excerpt from the autobiography Karukku by Bama, a Tamil Dalit. She, in her third grade, when she becomes aware of the indignities that the lower caste people face, she happens to see an elderly person from her community abase himself in front of a higher caste person as he was not supposed to touch the food that he was ordered to fetch for the landlord. Later, her brother explains to her that the incident was not at all funny as she initially thought, but very pathetic. The people from the lower caste were treated as untouchables. She was deeply saddened and decided to study hard to overcome discrimination. Now let's have a look with the comprehension check. Why did Bama take half hour to an hour to cover the distance to her home? That would normally take only 10 minutes. So here you can go through the text and find out the answer. When and how did Bama come to know of the discrimination faced by the marginalized people? We have given lesson notes along with this video lesson, so you can go through those lesson notes. We'll write down in your notebooks and we will be able to answer these comprehension check questions. There are certain links for full texts: ncrt.nic.in for ebooks, reference for content enrichment, studytoday.com, learncbse.in, ncrtonline.com. Hope you have enjoyed this learning journey. Thank you. Have a nice time.